Marami kaming nakukuhang mga complaints na maraming mga gulo at violations ng building code, no? For example, ang isang bahay, ang kapasidad niya ay, let's say, 10 tao, pero nakatira doon 40 na tao, 50 na tao. Tapos may mga suspicious activities dahil labas-pasok sa gabi yung mga sasakyan. So,
President Marcos stands firm against the impeachment complaint. He argues that the complaint undermines governance stability. Public opinion is divided on this controversial issue. Political analysts weigh in on the implications of his stance. Some believe it strengthens the administration's position. Others warn it could lead to greater political unrest. What does this mean for the future of Philippine politics?
Ever thought about growing your own food in the city? Urban areas often lack access to fresh, nutritious food. Community gardens can transform these spaces into green havens. Planting together fosters community spirit and connection. Harvesting fresh produce brings joy and healthiness. Listen to how these gardens change lives in our community. Join the movement and start your own community garden today.